Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. We're here with John. Hi. It's gonna be a vlog day in my life. I might include tomorrow as well, but we just finished our online class for today. It was a 3-hour long lecture.
That was only 3 hours?
It was pretty painful, but we did manage to do our homework while we were in class, and I also filled out like some of the Etsy shipping labels. If you guys haven't checked out my Etsy, it's listed down below, but I just dropped a ton of new scrunchies and bracelets.
She makes awesome scrunchies.
I've been packing those up while we were in class, but we're currently at McAllister's. We're gonna go get lunch. Yeah. I'm seriously so excited. I did eat breakfast today, so. Food's gonna be so good.
Lots of food.
Got a mask on. Ooh, this one's like new and it smells really weird.
Oh, is it the medical smell?
McAllister's. John, are you excited?
I'm very excited. It is going to be the best food ever.
This looks so yummy. Ooh, I got mac and cheese, Caesar salad, and I got chicken on it, and then mac and cheese, and it comes with a little cookie, and then John got mac and cheese, a Caesar wrap, and what's this called? Sorry, I touched
it. It's a Memphian.
A Memphian, and then
spud chips.
Yay!
It was great.
I thought it was really yummy.
It was very good.
Thanks for getting lunch with me. So we just finished our McAllister's.
Yes, we did.
It was super yummy.
It was amazing. It was needed. With as little food as you've had none.
That was my first meal of the day.
Yeah, it was
1
needed.
o'clock lunch. We are headed to Target.
Target?
We're still on the hunt for a planner.
I need a planner.
John. Everywhere we've gone, they've either been really girly or super expensive.
Yeah.
So hopefully Target comes in clutch.
Please,
and
Target.
We find something, and then we have to go back. I have to finish editing today's video, and then we're gonna go do a workout so you guys can come with us. We'll film the workout. We're doing back and buys, and then hit the pool. Our pool is open for an extra 30 days until the end of September, which is super exciting.
It's amazing.
It's never happened before.
Never.
I think it's this oil. Maybe? Are these planners? I don't think these are planners. Ooh, I like this. Not the style? End cap. Planners. Good luck. These are so cute. I like this one. You got this. It's sparkly too. Happy news. Someone made a decision. We found the planners.
You are not probably.
A little girly, but we can redecorate. I like this one. It's like smooth. Does it have like the weekly thing in it? I think they're all like little month strands. Pretty cute. John found a planner.
Kind of. It's kind of a planner. It's a habit tracker.
It's a habit tracker. Show them a little.
Yeah. So the first page is upside down because
it happens.
It happens. But you have.
I do think this is kind of like boyish.
It's a nice aesthetically cover, you know, because we couldn't find any masculine planners. But it's got stickers in it.
That's always fun.
Nifty.
Oh, can we see a nice little close-up of them?
Sure.
Don't give up. No excuses. Commit. Strength. I like it.
And then this is the main spread. You have your habits this month, and then your tracker for each individual habit. So you can put like 5 habits on one page if you want to.
Oh wow.
Why the habits, and then your start goal, your mid goal, your end goal, your rewards you get for doing the habits. I don't know what a brain dump is yet. I'll have to read because they have like tutorial pages. But
that's usually when if you have like a lot of stuff in your head, you just write it down in one little spot. Like you clear your head with that, at least from what I've heard. So then it goes into little categories down here.
Where at?
Like how it's like organized. So there's 1, 2.
Oh yeah.
So is that like the month? Like each month is a different?
I think it's yeah. So this is a month.
Yeah, because it said on the thing you can do 5 habits per month.
Yeah,
that would make sense.
It has like weekly spreads.
Yes.
So for each week you got your Monday through Sunday, and then your actions and steps, smart small, your weekly reward. You got a habit tracker tip. It's called Rise Grind. Let's see, this habit tip
like
is
that.
Don't let failure derail you. Let it be a minor speed bump and get right back on track.
Ooh, okay, okay.
And then more brain dump space, but then it's got 12 of those. And that's pretty much the repeat of it. So,
are you excited about it?
I think it's gonna be interesting to get into it and see what it's like. Again, I've never done like a physical planner before, and you made me so jealous with your amazing one you have over there.
I'm so curious how you'll like it.
So we'll see how it goes.
We'll have to get an update. Like
Yeah,
in a week or two.
I'll see where we're at in a week with my habits.
So we are currently sitting in my room. We're going to edit today's video, vlog. We don't have any homework to do.
Holla.
And then we are gonna hit the gym and the pool. So I will update you guys in a little bit. So I just finished getting today's vlog and video up. So if you guys haven't seen that, you should definitely go check it out. John is in the video. It's his first well, he's been in videos before, but this one he's in the whole video. So you guys should definitely go check it out. It's super cute. I will insert a card. But I got this cutest package from Tassels and Confetti. I'm seriously so excited about it. They reached out to me on Instagram. I will put their Instagram handle on the screen. Definitely go check them out, give them a follow. They're starting up and they just have the cutest stuff and like the cutest stickers, and I'm just so excited to be collabing with them. So I got this super cute watermelon color t-shirt, which is so perfect because I love pink, and it says cue the confetti, tassels and confetti, and I got this in a size small, and the quality of it's just so well done. I love it. They even have like their little branding up here, which is so cute, and then they also have like the little tag on the bottom. Like seriously, they just did such an amazing job with this. I'm so excited to style this and share this over on my Instagram. They also sent a little card, which was so cute. It was like fitting because it's like for confetti with a little balloon. Talk about really good branding. I have a code, it's Kelly15, so you guys can get, I'm gonna assume 15% off. I don't really know, but along with everything listed down below. They also have this super cute little flyer in their packaging. But what I'm most excited about is this thick pack of stickers. We got lots. This is gonna be like a sticker haul. The first stickers are 2 of these tassels and confetti stickers, which I love. I'm definitely gonna have to put one of these on my planner. This one says this girl is on fire. Very motivational. We have this one. Okay, this one might be my fave, and it says choose a kindness, and it's just like really fun little bubble letters that are very colorful. No talkie before coffee. Those are seriously so cute. We have this one that says girl power, and it's like pink and cheetah print. These are so cute. I really definitely get like a Visco girl type vibe with them. Oh, I like this one. It says radiate positivity with a little rainbow. I love the colors. It's kind of like a 70s aesthetic. Preppy and happy. Preppy, kind, and happy, maybe. And then confetti, state of mind, and cue the confetti. And then coffee and confetti kind of day. I love how pink these are. But it was seriously so cute, so thoughtful. So thank you so much for sending this package to me. Again, link down below, Instagram, links, everything. It's seriously so cute, and I'm so excited to style this tee. But I'm also getting ready to go to the gym, so I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys what's in my gym bag because I just packed it up before sitting down. So my gym bag is this PR package that I got from Pixie. It just has my name right there, which I think is so special, and then it's just like a little pink handle. Since we're going to the pool after the gym, I have this black one-piece swimsuit. It's from Shein. I love it because it has like this really fun cutout in the middle, and then I just have a black dress cover-up, which is just great. It's from the kids section in Target. And then I have my white sneakers from Nike, super comfy. I have an extra face mask because last night I went to the gym and I forgot my face mask and I had to like walk all the way back out to my car to get a new one. I have some socks, a sports bra from Lululemon, one of my favorite pairs of leggings. They have these really cool cutout designs. You cannot see them at all. There you go. From LA Activewear, and then just a black Nike workout tank top. I also keep this little bag in here from Travel Designs, and it's so cute, and I love bringing this with me to the gym. And I just put deodorant, perfume, and a makeup towel, like so you just get it wet. And I also like to put a hairbrush in here, so I need to bring a hairbrush in case I do shower at the gym. And then I'll put like my jewelry in here while I work out and everything. But that is what is in my gym bag. We're gonna head to the gym soon. I want to try my best to package up some of the scrunchies. I sold all the scrunchies in 24 hours that I listed. Seriously, so exciting. So thank you so much if you guys bought them. Again, I will have another drop on Monday, so stay tuned for that. But I'm going to package some of those up and then we'll get going. I just finished packing up a few scrunchies. I'm out of tape, so I need to go to the store and get tape later or tomorrow, I'm not really sure. But I figured I would share with you guys my outfit along with John's outfit. So this top is from Shein. I love it. I wear it all the time. It's so cute. And then I just have on these shorts from J. Crew. They're my favorite. They're pink. I'm trying to wear pink every day this week since it's my birthday, like, week. Like, I don't want to say that, but it is. And then my sandals are from Shein as well. They're just like these really fun platform sandals, and they're super sparkly. John, let's see what we got. John's got a Nike hat on.
Nike hat. Ooh. The custom design shirt that I made, Abercrombie and Fitch joggers, and the NMDs that Kelly bought me. Adidas.
Oh my goodness, I love the fit.
It's a little warm outside for joggers, but
it was cold this morning. Yeah, had to put the heart sunnies on too. But it's like 90 degrees outside. Hopefully we hit the pool.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just left the pool. We went through the drive-thru and got canes for dinner, which I'm seriously so excited about. I was the one who was like, can we get canes for dinner, please?
It smells so good.
It smells so good. And like the funniest part is when we first started dating, John was like, I love canes. And I'm like, ew, canes is gross. And now I'm the one asking for canes. But we are headed back to John's house to watch The Crown tonight. We're also planning content for Call You Later, which if you guys haven't checked out Call You Later, it's listed, the YouTube channel is listed on my other channels. We have podcasts go up every Monday morning on YouTube, so you can watch the podcast, which is really cool. But the podcast is also on Apple Music and Spotify and all the other platforms that have a podcast. But we're thinking about adding some like vlog content and just other fun stuff. So we've been talking about that. We're thinking about doing a content calendar tonight.
Yeah,
which
getting some major plans going.
Yeah, we're really excited, especially with Vlogtober coming up. Ooh, hint, hint. Got some clips of our workout, which that was like part of it. So if you guys want to see more workout videos, vlogs, that kind of stuff, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below, because I don't think I've ever done anything like that in my life on YouTube. Wow. It was really stepping outside of my comfort zone, but it was a lot of fun, and I know a lot of you guys have been asking for more fitness related content. Super easy, all you needed was dumbbells, so it was nice that way.
It was really, really hard but easy workout.
It was really hard but really nice. It was everything.
We're feeling it afterwards.
Yeah, my arms feel like spaghetti. But it was fun. We're gonna go enjoy some canes, and I guess I'll update you guys later. I totally forgot to end the vlog last night. My apologies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. Again, check out all the links down below. Call You Later, everything like that. It would mean the world to me. And if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get notified the next time I upload. And I talked about earlier how scrunchies are dropping on Monday. Just keep an eye out on my Etsy, because I'm thinking about dropping them a lot sooner, just because there's so many of you guys who have been asking for them. So I'm super excited. Again, list it down below in case you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!